Hello friends, welcome you all to Educating India Center for Excellence. My name is Shobhit Agrawal and today in this session we are going to discuss about YY analysis for root cause analysis. Today in this program we will discuss about YY analysis, what are the uses of YY analysis and how to perform YY analysis. So friends, let's begin this program. YY analysis is basically the most important, most critical component of problem solving. It is a technique which was developed by Sakichi Toyoda in Toyota Motor Corporation. Friend, Sakichi Toyoda was a very famous Japanese inventor and industrialist, and he was also the founder of Toyota Industries Corporation. YY analysis is a technology which is used as an induction part in Toyota production system. Friends, Toyota production system is a complete automobile manufacturing technology which was developed by Taiichi Ohno. Taiichi Ohno was a very famous Japanese engineer and industrialist, and he described the 5Y method as the basis of Toyota's scientific approach by repeating Y 5 times and gave the 7 mudas or 7 ways in Lean. Friends, Toyota production system is a very vast and most important topic of manufacturing industry. I will prepare a session on this and share to you. Now we will see some uses of YY analysis. It is a tool used for doing the root cause analysis of a problem. Means that YY analysis is a technique which is used for doing the root cause analysis of a problem or defect. It is the most important part of 8D analysis and it is done in D4 part of 8D analysis. It says that YY analysis is done in D4 part of 8D analysis with cause and effect diagram for the analysis of problem or defect. 5Y, ask why until you get to the root of the problem. It says that to ask why till you do not find the actual cause of a defect. Drill down. It is used to break down a problem into small detailed parts to better understand the big picture and understand the problem with a team. It means that YY analysis actually breaks the problem into smaller segments so that the details of the problem could be easily and clearly seen and could be understood properly. What is a root cause? A factor is considered a root cause if it is removed from product manufactured, so it helps to prevent the final undesirable event recurrence. It is the actual cause of a defect, and on this immediate corrective and preventive action should be taken. It means that root cause is actually responsible for the occurrence of a defect, and if immediate corrective and preventive action is taken on root cause, then defect recurrence could be prevented easily. Very often the answer to the first Y will prompt another Y and the answer to the second Y will prompt another, and so on. Hence the name is 5Y strategy. Friends, YY analysis technique is basically used in many manufacturing industries, and during the verification on the shop floor, it is observed that the feedback is that defect occurred due to operator fault, due to insufficient or improper training. Friends, to find the root cause of any defect, it is necessary that instead of focusing on manual root cause or manpower, focus should be on finding the fault in system, where the system failure occur, what are the gaps in system, and implement improvements in mistake proofing or Poka-yoke or automation to prevent defect occurrence. It helps to do the root cause analysis of problem both at occurrence and detection of any non-conformity, and it is easy to learn and apply. It means YY analysis technique is performed both at occurrence and detection end so that all the potential causes of defect could be prevented and actual root cause could be identified. Usually YY analysis gets restricted to only 3 to 4 Ys, but to find the actual root cause of defect, proper brainstorming is done with CFT team on each Y and list of all potential causes of defect is made, and then actual defect cause is identified with the members of different departments and action on each Y is taken to eliminate any chances of occurrence of any defects in part or process. It means that in most of the companies actually YY analysis gets completed only up to 3 to 4 Ys without identifying the actual cause of a defect. However, to find the actual cause of a defect, proper brainstorming is done with a team of members from different concerned departments and potential causes of defect are identified. Then its fishbone diagram is made, and after doing YY analysis for every potential cause, actual defect of actual defect cause of any defect is identified, and then for each Y, action plan is made and corresponding actions are taken to prevent the problem. So friends, this is the use of YY analysis. Now we will see YY analysis examples. This shows the YY analysis example in which the problem is car burn. Now why car burn occur? Due to spark in car. Why spark in car occur? Due to short circuit took place in car. Next why is why short circuit occur in car? Due to malfunction of car engine. Why malfunction of car engine occur? Because it was not working properly and engine has reached its end life, and car engine is used very badly for long time. Now next why is why it is not repaired properly and why car engine reached its end life? Because service and maintenance of car engine is not done at scheduled time. Now next why is why car engine service and maintenance is not done at scheduled time? Because there is no online portal which remind that its service is due. So friends, this shows how the YY analysis is done, how first Y is done, second Y is done, and up to fifth Y it is done. So now we will see another example of YY analysis in which the problem is air conditioner not working. Why it is not working? Because short circuit occur in AC. Why short circuit occur in AC? Because electrical PCB parts were not working. Why PCB parts were not working? Due to heavy voltage fluctuation and heavy electrical current flow. Why heavy voltage fluctuation and current flow occur? Because copper element and electrical wire of AC got damaged. Why copper element and electrical wire got damaged? Because service and maintenance of AC was not done at scheduled time. Why service and maintenance is not done? Because there is no online portal which remind that AC service is due. So friends, this shows how the YY analysis is performed to find the root cause of a defect and finding the potential causes of a defect and asking why 5 times to find the actual cause of a defect. It can be more than 5Y also as per the defect severity and requirement. So friends, I hope that now you have understood the YY analysis technique, and if you have any suggestions or feedback in this program, then please write to me in comment box, or you can also write to me on my mail ID given in the description box. I will reply to you. Friends, please check the description box to find link of my other videos on this channel. So if you have still not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification on upload of any new videos, and also share the video to your friends and colleagues. And if you have any query in this program, then please write to me in comment box and I will answer all your queries. Thanks for watching.